Pick up. What? You're okay. You're calling? Can you hear me?
No.
What the fuck are you wearing?
Hey.
Uh-oh.
What the fuck
Uh-oh.
are you
It's
wearing?
feeding back. It's feeding back. Are we gonna do the same thing we did before?
I'm listening
What
to you
the
through
fuck?
Twitch, not Discord. I can't even hear you on Discord. I don't.
Okay.
You're not. Your
Give me a
voice is
second.
not even coming through Discord.
I spilled the beer! Spilled the beer! We're gonna have a great time. Just give me a second. I need to clean this up. Discord sound. Maybe that killed it. Go.
I swear there's always something.
But
Oh
I
my
don't
god, it
know.
worked!
It's working.
What? What?
Holy shit!
Yes.
Yeah!
What?
It's working.
Holy shit!
Okay, I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching anything. And how good
Yeah,
is
don't
it?
do anything.
It's we leave it like that. Oh my god.
Do not touch the...
I'm sweating. Here, let me
Yeah,
click
anything.
something.
Just press play.
There you go. Okay, this is stupid. What? Why? Where? What's happening? What's happening? I don't want relaxation. Did we fix it?
Check that
Actually?
I think so.
Holy shit. I mean, I fixed it, but
yeah,
yeah,
Budapest.
it's whatever.
You actually managed to do something useful. For
Holy
Why
shit!
would
Yeah.
this-
Actually,
This
man
one
has
time.
skill.
like we're the best.
No, I'm not touching Discord ever
Yeah,
again.
no, don't
Never.
touch anything.
No, I'm not touching anything.
Golden
This
rule is
stays
do not touch the code that
everything,
works.
I'm not
everything
touching
you touch
anything.
turns to shit.
now. Okay, let's
I
go.
already start to giggle when
Oh,
the
this is
video
gonna,
hasn't
this is
even
gonna be so
started.
bad. Oh,
My honest travel take
some-
on living in the US versus in Hungary. I'm an American who just lived in Hungary for 6 months last year. I get so grossed out at home by how people wear shoes inside. I've been to parties with tons of people in Hungary, and it does not matter how big that party is, everyone's gonna have their shoes off. Everything runs so much later in Hungary. It didn't matter if it was a weekday and I was doing absolutely nothing. You could count on me to be up until at least 2 a.m. I make dinner plans with someone in the US, and they're asking to meet up at 5 p.m. And
But this is just
she's-
this is
oh,
just
she's-
normal city life.
Yeah.
Like
Everybody does it. What's so different?
Why is she talking so fast? What's is
Yeah,
this the TikTok? You know
exactly.
that you need to do. Otherwise, people will click
Woman,
away.
you're not in a hurry, are you?
This is just like a normal
I mean-
city life. We stay up until 2 a.m. That's just normal.
Next. Oh my god, what happened?
này với công nghệ kim cương óng ánh và gấp 10 lần tinh chất bồ kết cho mái tóc đen óng người.
Finding
This okay. This this went unrelated really quickly. Oh my god, where are we gonna get the second video?
You know, if you scroll down, you do realize you're getting videos that aren't related.
I wish my hair
Really?
could do this. Oh my god, please.
oh my gosh, guys, look.
It's a child of
Why are you
God.
watching all this bullshit?
No,
Child of God or not, please.
no, I can't. I can't. It's already on.
No,
we are
no,
already on
next.
TikTok.
3, 2, 1. Blow on it. It's disappeared. Blowing it again. It's back.
Oh my gosh.
All right, now
Oh
this time
my-
you're gonna blow on it really hard.
No way,
Houdini
guys.
is
There's
proud,
no
you know?
way. How did they do it? I don't understand.
Oh.
294,000 likes. Okay. Well, all
Okay, not view farming here then. Only when it hits a million.
What's your name?
Korean, Korean.
William. William.
This is actually fine. I don't mind this one.
Because it's so simple. Yeah,
Not great,
22
but it's-
videos in, we see some real shit, right?
Look, it's gonna be better. Don't worry. Next one is gonna be the best one ever. 3,
Is
2, 1.
it?
Who has the oiliest forehead?
Oh no. Having an oily forehead is normal, you know. Without that, you will have flaky. And you don't want flaky.
Mine would like cover up the camera. Like
No.
it's done
You could fry a steak
because I'm
noodle.
too old. Okay. So is that good? Is that good? Probably. Okay, do you remember the times when you saw something on YouTube, a dancing video? It was great. It was actually great.
No,
It was something like
Never
you know,
in my life.
I don't understand when I go pooping. What did I do before? I don't understand because I'm that old that we didn't used to have smartphones. Like like there was nothing. I just went there and
Yeah.
just sit there and
Donate this, I
now-
guess.
We get the
Now
fucking
my-
Flintstones phone around.
Any girl with an attitude problem can do this.
Oh yeah. Really?
What?
What?
They can only move their only attitude girls can move their eyeballs.
What?
They can.
What did she do?
We're judging somebody's attitude.
She was
you
looking
know?
like
It's like, no, you moved
That's-
your head. You can't move your head.
girls are looking at me because I'm losing my hair. They look like I see them looking. I'm like, what the fuck are you looking at,
To be
bitch?
fair, I'm looking.
And they
Oh, yeah.
and I was like, you barely have any hair left. And I'm like, yeah, you don't say. You don't say. I know. I fucking know.
A toast hairline is fucking sexy nowadays, you know, and she doesn't know it yet.
Oh,
Post hair.
oh.
Okay, yes,
Which one is it?
exactly those corners, you know. When you get a piece of toast, you have like this
Okay.
middle bit that is straight, and then you have those two corners that are like
okay,
going.
Okay, rate my toast.
Toast. That's not toast. You've got a comb over.
Yeah, you have a comb over.
You look like Carl Weathers.
Yeah.
What? What is happening?
I have
Oh,
no
Pause.
isn't the
It's
audio a little bit too loud?
It says.
I think that's a COVID test.
The one with the heads are crazy. The last one.
The one
What?
with the head. Why does it look like there's a fucking...
Oh!
This looks like the mummy.
Oh my god!
alien?
This is actually a good one.
Are you British?
Yeah.
British?
British.
Bottle of water?
Bottle of water. But I can't even say. Bottle of water.
So, can I please have a tomato sandwich with aubergine, courgette, a packet of crisps, and a bottle of water? Cheers, mate. Oh, and can you put it- Get out.
Yeah. Really?
Oh, okay.
They look the same.
What? I don't understand what's going on.
What's happening now? What's happening?
I don't know.
We're only halfway in. Oh yeah,
Really?
100%
Yeah.
clean girl test. Are you a
100%
clean girl?
cringe.
Cringe girl.
I'm the opposite of what?
Oh,
What?
Know
Yeah, I know.
everything. I have everything. I know everybody. Without me, you're nothing. Keep talking, losers.
Wow. Oh. Oh, the electricity just. Oh no, it just flexed on all of them. Oh wow, this is so funny.
Oh, I don't know.
I have 99 problems, but when I'm with you, I know it's 100. I have 99 problems.
Yeah, okay. And
I
didn't even crack a fucking smile.
what?
That was awful.
And for you, ma'am, can I get you something to drink? Oh, I'll
She's
have
already
a
wasted.
tea because I'm terrific. And I'll have Fanta because I'm fantastic. I'll have alcohol because, you know, I'm an alcoholic.
I'm
I
sorry.
didn't even crack a fucking smile.
Cringe.
The castle, get down your dirty Ross.
Hate it. Play the song instead.
Oh, I hate it.
What is this makeup, by the way? Why is all
Filter.
the girls look like that? It's
Not
just a
real.
filter.
It's a
It's
fake.
not.
Yeah, it's a good
it's full
filter.
fake.
It's not even a good filter. Her fucking chin looks like the Crimson Chin. This is the worst hour of my life.
Oh, I know, right?
I hate this.
Oh,
I'm
fuck.
never doing this again.
Yeah.
This is the worst idea I've ever had.
Yeah,
Or
this
anybody's
was
ever had.
this was your idea.
This wasn't my fucking idea.
Sue. Oh, she's so cute. Such a cute hamster.
Yeah.
Oh. Say hi to Rocco, Elmo. Hello, Rocco.
Oh no.
Hi, Sue.
Wow, that sucked.
What?
Hair?
Can you explain?
Saying hi
I
to all
don't.
my teachers' hair?
Oh, we all had beef with that one teacher. So this is about beef. I love when she laughs at her own jokes. It's just the cutest thing
Well,
ever.
yeah.
You just said
Because I
something.
can.
She laughs like a fucking witch.
Oh, stop it! I'm Baba Yaga.
Croissant.
Dior, Chanel,
Yeah.
and Saint Laurent. Haha.
Yep.
Really?
That does not count. Can you speak?
That's
Oh,
it.
that was stupid.
This is gonna what?
You call me a
what?
motherfucker. I call you motherfucker.
I'm gonna lose my mind. Look, someone.
What? $9.99.
No.
I can speak German.
I need a cigarette. There's
Oh,
no
wow.
way.
Congratulations. A celebration. I
the
told
tea?
you he looks like a hairbrush.
It's just
Literally,
Voldemort.
his nose is fused.
Just no. That is...
It's
and
like
the
a
eyes.
fusion
Oh
right
my
there.
god.
What is that noise?
A helicopter.
What is going on there?
The search team just landed a helicopter.
What are they searching for?
Me.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. I could have not anticipated that.
When I snap my fingers, you're gonna forget that you upgraded us to first class. What? See? It works!
No, wait, I never said that.
I know, because I made you forget.
No, I mean, I never upgraded you guys.
Yeah, because I snapped my fingers so you forgot.
How I mean, she's at least putting in some energy, to be honest. I don't think this is original, but like, you know, she's like acting all the 3 roles. So
Are
it's
you
like,
trying to cling on to any hope? Because I don't see any.
I don't either. But this is the final one, and I'm
Thank
exhausted.
fuck.
I really am. I think you are too. Let's hope that I don't know what I'm hoping for. Something, please be something good.
Oh, I don't
This is the
know.
final one. Please be something good. Please.
But this is the final one.
Yeah, it's the
Guys,
last
we
one.
did it.
Guys,
We have officially done
100
it.
fucking shorts
Nothing to fucking be
starting
proud
from.
about.
100.
Oh. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Can I please get my phone call now, officer, please?
Oh,
Just make it
no.
fast.
No!
What a
Hi,
fucking
I'm one of your
tough
clients.
No.
You're in jail right now.
Yes, well, listen.
What'd you do? Drink too many soda pops
Well,
and get a
cock
big
smuggler.
tummy ache?
You
I'm
want to
gonna
go to
forget. We just-
101, yeah?
One, yeah, and we must. There's no way. Okay, please,
Okay,
no. Please not
let's
that.
pretend that the next one is the 100th video, yeah? Oh no!
Why are we on 101?
Oh no!
No.
Okay.
Ooh.
There's no way.
Can we just
Stop.
There's no
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
There's no way. And we
hell.
started from American Reacts to Budapest. This is not an account. This is empty. I'm not even logged in. Empty browser, empty everything. And how many times did we get her? Like 5,
Yeah.
6, 7? And the other
Like,
dude and the brush hair motherfucker.
Every short is her.
Like
She's
how?
just one giant short.
What? 100 videos.
We did
and
it!
like-
Whoa!
Oh, I'm so happy. I'm
Never
so happy.
ever again.
Oh my god!
No, but
You suffered me
it
through
was bad.
101 bullshit videos. Now, you know what time
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Get that
It's-
shoe off your foot.
Yes.
It's time to end the stream. Yeah, I will do it. I will do it.
Snip
It's
the
surely. Next time
Wow.
we'll do something else. Please pitch your ideas. Until then, see you next time, folks.